You want a physique like this? Yeah. Have some cheap fuel.
You just keep going, dude. You got this.
Yo, this is a long coat. Oh!
Hey, where you going? I'm back.
Hi.
Hey, what do you think today's gonna be all about?
I have no idea. You just told me people were coming to film.
I also said
and we were gonna do a chapter 3 poster, but you said we were not doing it now.
We are, just not today.
What are we doing today?
Follow me. Let's go. Follow me.
Should I be scared?
No, it's not. It's not on you. You're fine.
Oh, okay. Why do they have swim trunks on?
Dude, love your dishwashers, man.
Yo.
Make sure get over to play with them.
I can't wait to go swimming in the dishwasher.
First of all,
we're back.
Yeah. Welcome back.
What? Last time I seen you.
Oh, you almost killed me. I was on the blog.
You did. New camera. Who's this? This thing's way too big.
Put your hand out like
perfect.
you're holding
Perfect.
it.
You're hired. You're hired.
You're hired.
Okay. There you go.
What are we doing today?
We're racing in the dishwashers.
The only problem right now is they use hot water, and I don't know how hot this water will be on us.
Can you turn the hot water off?
I can turn it off. I can turn it down. How about that?
He's so evil. He's the most evil from the way.
Yeah, you are evil. You took all the air out of the blob last time. That's why it went so high.
Ross asked me if I have a dishwasher.
I mean, we don't have those in Ohio, so I was hoping someone.
What, is your dishwasher broke? I know.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. A new house. I figured you had the best state-of-the-art dishwasher and everything, but then you told me you had 2.
There is 2.
And I have 2 guys here.
And they're side by side.
So I was like, perfect.
You took the spinners out?
Yeah.
You think that's better?
That's what Brian thought.
Well,
But the spinner would make it cool.
it's going to hit them.
Not if they sit on the rack.
Dude,
Look at this rack.
their racks are kind of...
You want him to sit on these spikes?
You really want me sitting on that thing? Oh, it'd be so bad.
I'm excited for this one, so the hot water won't hit my face.
Are you going to the moon, buddy? What is that?
Some people aspire to go to another country or outer space. These guys want to go in a dishwasher. It feels terrible even saying that. Yeah. I don't know if you've seen them videos of like inside dishwashers when they're on. It's beautiful. It's like it's art, right? So today these guys want to make some art. We're gonna throw some GoPros in there. Some. It's gonna turn into a water club.
Yeah,
we got like lights. It's basically a day at the spa.
I might need to use your shampoo. I don't know if you have any shampoo available.
I don't have any shampoo.
If this really works, this is gonna be my daily shower routine now.
Should I open it?
I think you should wake up minutes.
Oh no, but it's, what if it gets hotter?
I'm so scared about
No,
it.
because I want to see if it gets hot as the time goes.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't want it to get hot as the time goes.
I'm checking.
What
I'm
if it's
doing
cold
research,
right now?
you goober.
What if we only have 3 minutes?
Yeah, and it's cold.
Yeah, that's
It
what
just started.
I'm opening it. Yeah, open it.
Yeah.
It's your
Open it.
dishwasher.
Open me out, man.
Dishwasher.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that's hot.
No, that's warm.
No, that's nice.
That's like a bathtub.
That's
jacuzzi.
nice.
A hot tub.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
first it's a jacuzzi, and
Oh,
then it's like
yeah.
the Sahara
That's
Desert.
3 minutes.
Actually, just seeing that, this is really
Now,
cool.
and it's a shower. Like all that's.
Oh yeah, that's
sick.
lukewarm,
It's
dude.
lukewarm
I
at
like it.
best.
I think we can do it.
I think you guys are good.
Yeah, I think I'm.
Let's do one. This one's not
we
working.
got this.
Oh yeah.
Well, it worked when you got here.
First, I'm down.
I think it's best that we hit GoPros inside. Okay, let's start plugging them in. Let's do that now. Dude, that GoPro looks good.
That is perfect.
It actually gets the whole like,
And we'll just be in the corner.
and then you go in the corner.
My feet are over there.
And then we need some lights.
Yeah, we have
Glow
some
sticks,
lights.
clubbing.
The clubs are closed, so we have to make our own club.
Do it. Push it, pull it. How cool is a glow stick though, honestly? Like glow sticks are so underrated. Technology.
Ready?
What if you
Got a little pool going on already. The light. Oh, it's a little tight. I hope this isn't hot, because right on my neck.
This reminds me a lot like another video where I was holding the GoPro.
This actually looks, I don't know, it looks nice.
I'm ready to go.
I've never seen anything like this
I'm
before.
ready. Got my snorkel on.
Oh, I'm ready. I'm so ready.
One last thing,
Oh, no way. Thank you
just
so
in
much.
case, you mentioned not being a swim well.
I'm ready, man. Let me get this thing fired up. I don't even know how to use it.
That's an automatic one, it does it
Oh,
for
I'm
you.
gonna slap it right on him right now. Ready?
Clear! You remember the knock, right?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun,
We need
dun,
all
dun,
the
dun,
knocks.
Okay.
3 knocks won't work.
Okay.
dun. Say whiskey is your safe word.
Whiskey.
Whiskey or whiskey?
Whiskey.
Okay, whiskey. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, guys, wish me luck. Mom, I'm sorry. I love you.
I hear him talking to the GoPros in there.
Oh, it's vibrating. What's vibrating? I don't even know what's going on right now.
How many of you would walk into my kitchen and assume there's 2 humans in there? Not under the sink.
They're just having conversations with themselves.
Is he still talking?
You still good in there? John! You didn't want to say anything?
What happened?
I was yelling. Never mind. Just go back in.
We were just checking on you.
Oh, he's got the earplugs in.
I think we just have to wait.
Oh,
I think the water just kicked on.
that feels good.
Oh, he's... Yo, Sam.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna beat you.
Let's go! Dude, what are you guys doing? Close the door. I was having fun. My bad.
Dude, he's having a blast.
Floating around his mouth.
He's like offended that you opened the door.
I don't have showers in here.
See you later.
Oh my! This is really a bath. It's like I'm having a bath.
Here, I'll trade you cameras.
What kind of baths have you been taking?
Yo, this is
Watch the lens.
so nice. It's not too hot, but it's not too cold either. Perfect bath. I wish it was lavender. That's the only thing, though.
So-
We got lavender.
This is a
If
good
you want,
thumbnail.
I don't want to put you to sleep.
Wait.
I know they don't want to get out. You
I
guys
really don't
have
want to
get out eventually.
No, I'm comfortable.
You
Can I-
cannot stay here.
Come
I
on,
don't want to
please.
leave. I don't want to leave. It's so warm. It's so nice and pleasant in here. Warm water.
I'm not getting in the pond again after the last video with you. Like,
What?
I don't trust you. The blob, remember me doing 3 flips in the air? I drank the whole thing. Guys, Bahama Mama.
Listen to him.
Go get
Did
it.
he drink it?
Yeah, I drank it. Best G Fuel out there. Bahama Mama. Go get it.
Dang, dude, you just sold me Bahama Mama, baby.
Yep,
Let's go.
Bahama Mama, baby. Look, showering in it.
Sam,
What?
you have to get out.
Oh, why?
You have legit.
I'm having fun in here.
How long has it been?
He's been in here at least 45
They won't
minutes
get out. You know how you go and you pay money to stay in like one of them floating pods?
Yeah, this is my floating.
I'm gonna open up a dishwasher. Like there's 20 dishwashers you
Can you
can
get a
come.
bigger dishwasher for me?
Yeah, we'll get bigger ones.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Dude,
Let's go, Sam. It's over.
It's over?
I got out. You get out. Let's go. You're all clean, man. You don't need anything
I don't
more.
want to leave.
Time filming with Roman in a year and a half. Look what we get to do.
Back,
goodness.
Fun.
back in the water.
Dude, I can't believe my G
All right,
Fuel.
so which experience was better for you guys in the water? Was it the pond or was it the dishwasher?
Oh, that's easy. The dishwasher. I didn't almost die in the dishwasher. I had a good time, okay?
It was great because I knew I was always on the ground. As long as I could breathe and I wasn't in the air, I'm satisfied.
Yeah, I didn't do any flips in there, so
Have
I'm
you
good.
guys seen the clip of them on the?
Oh, they probably haven't. Let's play it real quick.
So this is what happens when you come back to YouTube, you know?
As long as I can sit here and watch
Got a
him
whole
fly.
family.
You guys.
Every time I film with you, you got a new kid.
I mean, he has a few kids already, man.
I'm adding them left and right, dude.
You want another one?
Daycare, man.
I'd love to live here. This place is nice.
Dude, I could take a shower every morning in the dishwasher. It'd be the best thing.
That's a big pallet, dude.
Yo, it's 4'9", I think.
You see all these Bahama Mamas in here? This
He's just selling fuel, dude. This is my salesman right here.
It's
You
amazing.
want a
guy-
G Fuel? I got a couple.
Get this guy.
Just a little bit.
And 0 calories before the summer. So you can get that hourglass figure you always wanted. Yo, this is a long coat. Oh!
Brian, where are you at?
Yo, get him, dude.
Can't kick you. Dude, I'm still getting.
Oh, that was amazing.
Wow, I saw him. I thought John saw him too.
Bro, I believed that we were like good models.
I thought you were pumping the
I thought it was a great scene.
Honestly,
And
I
then-
don't even like that stuff anymore.
How did that go so well? I was like, what's Brian doing back there? They're like selling G Fuel for a minute. So we got a new fridge in the garage, and G Fuel apparently wanted to fill the entire thing because they sent this whole pallet of G Fuel. Some of it took some collateral damage though. Look at this. This pallet cane weighs 2,100 pounds. That's more than a ton. I can actually say I have a ton of G Fuel.
That's obnoxious. Can I have some?
You
You have
got
enough?
something?
Give me $20.
Just one can.
Bro, Come on, dude.
You have enough, right?
Come on, man. You guys can get in a fridge today too if you want.
How big is it?
Yeah, I want to get
You can fit in it.
Okay.
Yo, Mashi,
Yeah, dude.
Dude,
Look at that.
the bottom shelf. You think it would work?
yeah, you gotta lay down.
Oh, I can put you in the elevator too. Check this out.
Oh, no.
You guys can go
What's
up
in
in the
here?
elevator.
Yo, hop in
What is
there.
that for?
It's a dumbwaiter.
I'll jump in this.
For dumb people?
Here it comes. It's unfinished. You can get in a waiter, in a fridge, in a dishwasher on the same day.
If you're gonna have anybody ride it, you gotta have them ride it.
If it stops,
I'm way too claustrophobic.
Oh, I know a guy who fixes these. Brian.
Yep.
Hey, I'll get you down. I'll just cut the cable.
You
It'll
can,
fit. I think it'll fit.
You got 6 cans in it.
yeah. Come on, Cora. Join the craziness. Join the craziness. Yeah, dude. Load it. Everybody grab a case.
Trucking it in.
Let's go.
Let's get these babies on top.
You guys should try to get Brian with the air horn.
Yo.
Where's the air horn? I got it.
Hang on, I gotta figure out how to
Teach
do
me
it.
how to work
Yeah,
this
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
And
All right.
got a case. Let's bring a case in.
You want to grab a case? Yeah. That might be heavy for you, little princess.
Let's go. I'm getting Brian payback.
Yeah. Moving.
Since when do you smile like this? Get that camera away from me. You're gonna do something.
No, I'm
He's
not.
like, who's that guy hugging a pineapple?
What do you mean?
Yeah, he's like, who's this
You better
guy?
watch yourself, Ross.
No, wait.
I think I would just tear it off.
Safety was on. No.
Oh, you guys are lame. Lame.
Fail.
Damn. The safety needs to be
Lame. Lame.
on. Dude, why does this thing have a safety in the
They
first
thank you,
place?
Brian.
Yeah,
The safety
that was
on.
so close.
So close.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Your step.
Watch your step. Whoa. Okay. We got another case for you, Brian.
Another case?
In case you didn't have enough. Oh, good job, muscles. Let's go. What? Not that fast? Okay. Oh, what a. You think you're funny? You think you're funny? I told you guys on my Instagram story that I was freeze drying Skittles and I would show you what they turned into, and they're actually incredible. I've been freeze drying all kinds of stuff. Check these out. These took a long time, but look how big the Skittle becomes. Look at this. They just break open. Listen, ready? There's like dust, but it still has all the flavor. They're incredible. It's just like a totally different. Whoa, that's sour. Just like a totally different candy now. My mouth is watering so bad. Today I had fun. Like, it was fun. It's like old times. It felt very like old school vlog, like the old channel. Other than that, I got this thing, I never use it. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. I love you guys so much. Thanks for supporting this channel. I know that if you're watching at this point in the video, I always say that because I know that there's only so many of you that watch to this point in the video. Thank you for being a part of the whole video and just everything we do. Like, trying to have fun, trying to just keep it steady. I have lots of fun stuff coming up. I love you guys so much. Hope you got some smiles in today. I hope the video leaves you feeling good and happy, and that's all I got for you today. I love you. You are beautiful. You are one of a kind. Smile more.